If you're a beginner with no prior experience or special skills, you might think freelancing isn't for you. But the good news is, Fiverr can still be a great starting point. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers, called sellers, offer services called gigs to clients worldwide. Even if you feel like you don't have specialized skills, there are many simple, low barrier tasks you can start offering right away and gradually learn more advanced skills as you go. On Fiverr, beginners can focus on easy gigs that don't require professional training. For example, you can offer services like data entry, basic research, social media management, writing short posts, transcription, or even simple tasks like formatting documents or creating basic designs using free tools. Many of these tasks only require attention to detail, willingness to learn, and consistent effort. Starting with simple gigs allows you to gain experience, earn reviews, and gradually build confidence. The first step is to create a Fiverr account and build a profile that highlights your enthusiasm, reliability, and willingness to help. Even if you don't have a portfolio yet, you can offer small gigs and provide examples as you complete jobs. Fiverr allows you to create multiple packages for each gig: basic, standard, and premium, so you can set different pricing options for clients. Starting with affordable services can help you attract your first buyers and build positive reviews. Communication is essential on Fiverr. Use the platform's messaging system to clarify project details, set realistic expectations, and keep clients updated on progress. Good communication, even for simple gigs, can make a big difference in your ratings and repeat business. Positive reviews help your profile grow, increase visibility, and open opportunities for higher paying gigs in the future. Another tip for beginners is to explore free tools and online resources to gradually develop new skills. Platforms like Canva, ChatGPT, or free editing tools can help you expand your offerings. Over time, you can add more advanced gigs, raise your prices, and take on more complex projects. Even if you start with no skills, consistent effort and learning can turn Fiverr into a valuable source of online income. In summary, Fiverr is not just for experts. It's for anyone willing to start small, learn, and grow. If you approach it strategically, even beginners with no skills can start earning, build confidence, and eventually expand into higher value services. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more beginner-friendly freelancing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.